Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Today I am going to discuss about modulus function. Many of you are asking me, sir, how to handle modulus function, how to handle the question from modulus inequality. It is very easy. Today I am going to discuss 5 PYQ, previous year question with concept. One by one you just follow me, whatever question will come, you just first try, then check the thought process, how I handle. There are 3 type of question under modulus function and I will discuss one by one, but you have to follow me, you have to try this, you have to write it down. Okay, so let's start. Okay, question number 1. In question number 1 it is given if 3x plus 2y ra mod plus y equal to 7 and x plus x ra mod plus 3y is equal to 1, two equations are given, then find x plus 2y, and this was asked in 2021 shift 3 question. Now here the question based on the modulus. So from definition of the modulus, so how to handle? When I write x ra mod, what do you mean by this? If I will say 2 ra mod 2, whatever written within the mod, if it is positive, just write as it is, this is 2. Similarly, if minus 2 ra mod is given, minus 2 ra mod, this is whatever written within this mod, if it is negative, you have to write a extra negative sign. So minus of minus 2. So this become 2. You know modulus always gives positive answers. Done. Normally what do you mean by modulus? Now it is distance from origin. Suppose this is origin. When I say 2 ra mod, this is distance of 2 from origin. So this is equal to 2 unit. Similarly when I say minus 2 ra mod, so this distance is what? This distance is also 2 unit. So distance is always positive, so modulus values are always positive. Once again, whatever written within the mod, if it is positive, just write as it is. If it is negative, extra negative you have to write. X ra mod, I don't know x is positive or negative. If it is positive, this is x. Positive means what? Now x greater than equal to 0. If it is negative, you have to write extra negative sign. So this is minus x. Negative means what? X less than 0. This is the definition of mod. This is the definition of modulus. Done. Now take a pause, try for 30 seconds. Okay, then you check my answer, how I will solve. Take a pause, first try it. अरे pause लेके इसको एक बार try करो, then you check my answer, how I solve. Done. So this is the hint for you, because here x ra mod is given, y mod is given. So how you handle? You make cases. 4 cases possible here. Done. So try it. Try this one first. Then you can check my answer. How I will explain. Okay. So here I will make 4 cases. Case 1. In case 1, x is greater than 0. Y also greater than 0. Then I make case 2. Here x greater than 0, y less than 0. In case 3, here x less than 0, y greater than 0. And in case 4, x less than 0, y less than 0. So make 4 cases. Now you observe case number 1. X and y both are greater than 0, means positive. And both, if I open the modulus, positive sign I have to write. So equation number 1, you just write 3x plus 2y plus y is equal to 7. If I solve this one, this is 3x plus 3y is equal to 7. This is equation number 1. This one is my equation number 1. Similarly, if I will write the second equation, this is x plus 3y. And here I will write, because x is greater than 0. When I open this, I will write x. That is equal to 1. So this can be written as 2x plus 3y. That is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. If I solve these two equations, look here. If I subtract, so this is minus sign, minus sign, minus sign. So plus 3y, minus 3y get cancelled. So this is how much? Now x is equal to 6. Now put the value of 6 in any of the two equation. Suppose I will put it in equation number 1. What I will get here? Now this is 3 into 6 plus y is equal to 7. So here y value is negative. This is 7 minus 18. So this is minus 11. X is 6. True. Because here x greater than 0. But here y is minus 11. But I consider y greater than 0. So this is false. And this one is false. This is true. So this case will not give me the answer. Now check for case number 2. If I will observe case 2, in case 2 x is greater than 0. So when I write this equation, when I open this modulus, I write plus x. But y is less than 0. So this is minus 2y. So this can be written as 3x minus 2y plus y. This is equal to 7. If I simplify this one, this is 3x minus y is equal to 7. Equation number 1. Similarly, if I write second equation, this is x plus 3y, this is equal to 1. So this is 2x plus 3y, this is equal to 1. So if I simplify these two equations, you observe here coefficient of y is 3, but here coefficient of y is minus 1. So multiply 3 in equation number 1. So equation 1 into 3. If I write, so this is equal to how much? 9x minus 3y, this is equal to 21. Similarly here just write as it is, equation 2, this is 2x plus 3y equal to 1. So if I simplify this get cancelled. If I add this one, this is 11x, this is equal to 22. So x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 here. Achha, if x value here is 2, now put here in equation number 1, what I will get? Now 3x. So 3 into 2, this is equal to, directly here I will write 6 minus y, this is equal to 7. So here y is equal to how much? Y is equal to how much? This is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2. In this condition, x greater than 0 satisfied, yes. Y less than 0, it is also satisfied. So x is equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. Case number 3. So this case will satisfy my answer. So this case will decide my answer, but we have to check rest 2 also. Case number 3, here I will write case number 4. Case number 4, here x is less than 0, y also less than 0. Okay, now check. X less than 0, so this is negative. And y greater than 0 means this is positive. So here equation 1 is 3x plus 2y plus y is equal to 7. So here 3x plus 3y, this is equal to 7, equation 1. And equation 2, here x is less than 0. So here when I write this equation, this is x minus x plus 3y is equal to 1. These two get cancelled, so y is equal to 1 by 3. If I put y value here, how much I will get? Now 3x plus 3 into 1 by 3, that become 1 is equal to 7. So here x is equal to how much? So this will go to that side, so this become how much? 6. So x is equal to 6 by 3, this is equal to 1 by 2. In this region, in case 3, I consider x is negative, but I will get positive. Wrong. And here y positive, so this one is true, but this one is false. So I don't consider this case. Similarly, you can check case number 4, it will also not satisfy. So who will decide my answer? Case 2 will decide my answer. But we have to check, both are negative here. Both are negative means this is 3x minus 2y plus y is equal to 7. So if I simplify this one, 3x minus y is equal to 7, equation number 1. And here, this equation, this is x minus x plus 3y, this is equal to 1. So 3y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 by 3. If I put here y value, so 3 into x, okay, this is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 3 is equal to 7. So 3x is equal to 7 plus 1 by 3. LCM is 3, 21 plus 1, 22. Okay, so x is equal to 22 by 6. Sorry, 3 into 3, 9. 22 by 9. But I consider x negative, I will get positive. Wrong. Here I consider y negative, I will get positive. Wrong. So case number 4 also wrong. And only consider case 2. In case 2, x is equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. So answer for this question is 2 plus 2 into minus 1. So this is equal to 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. Understood now? Here, this question based on definition of modulus. And here we make cases, and case 2 satisfy my answer. Case number 2, it will satisfy my answer. Means condition. Okay. If it will satisfy the condition in case 2, x is equal to how much? X is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1. Just put here. Done? Okay, write it down. Okay, question number 2. Read the question. The number of integer n that satisfies the inequality. Achha, here inequality is given. N minus 60 mod, it is less than n minus 100 mod, it is less than n minus 20 mod. So here question is find the number of solutions of n. How many values of n satisfy this inequality. And this was asked in 2021 shift 1. Options are given. First you try for 1 minute. Okay, then you can check my answer. Okay, how I will handle. Okay, you first try. Okay, pause लेके आराम से try करो, then you can check my answer. Now, this question, it is based on distance formula of modulus. Distance formula on modulus. So what is this distance formula? When I write x minus a mod, what it indicate? This indicate distance between x and a. This means distance between x and a. Similarly, if I will write x plus a mod, this is what? This is the distance between x and minus a. Here plus symbol is there, so x and minus a. So I apply here. So first I will check for this one. N minus 60 mod, it is less than n minus 100 mod. This means what? Now distance between n and 60. Distance between n and 60. It is less than distance between n and 100. So first of all, two critical points are there. I just represent the critical point on the number line. One is 60, another one is 100. First you represent this one. Then this middle term is what? 60 plus 100, 160 by 2. So this is equal to 80. Done. Now distance between n and 60. It is less than distance between n and 100. So n is closer to 60, na? Distance between n and 60. And mod is there, na? So distance. Mod means distance. Distance between n and 60. It is less than distance between n and 100. So which region I have to select? I have to select this region. This region means what? Conclusion is here n is less than 80. N is less than 80. I understood now? Equation number 1. Now I will check another condition. Another one, it is given n minus 100 mod. It is less than n minus 20 mod. Again, first to represent this two critical point on the number line. This is 100. This is 20 and 100. These are the critical points. Done. Now this middle term is how much? 60. Here condition is distance between n and 100. It is less than distance between n and 20. So here n is closer to 100. N is closer to 100 means this region. And I have to select this region. That means what? Now here n is greater than 60. N is greater than 60. If I combine these two, here n less than 80 and here n greater than 60. So n lies within 60 to 80. N lies within 60 to 80. This is my conclusion. So the values n can take is, this is 61, 62 up to 79. How many values? 79 minus 61. This is 18 value plus 1. 18 plus 1, 19. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. Answer is 19, 19. And this question belongs to distance on modulus. Okay, concept behind this question is distance from modulus. Understood now how to find distance? Okay, this definition, these two are very very important, and you can expect one question from here every year. Write it down. Question number 3. In question number 3 it is given, for all real x the condition 3x minus 20 the mod plus 3x minus 40 the mod, this is equal to 20, necessarily holds. The following options are given. Which following option satisfy this? Okay, this was asked in 2021 shift 2. Acha, previous question it is based on distance formula, but here you cannot apply distance formula. Do not apply distance formula here. Do not apply distance formula. Distance formula has certain restriction. What are the restriction? First, where you can apply distance formula, if the question structure is like this, two functions are there, f of x from mod minus g of x from mod, it is less than 0, or f of x from mod minus g of x from mod, it is greater than 0, yeah, less than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0, there you can apply distance formula. If you observe here, equal to symbol is there, equal to symbol is there, so don't apply distance formula here. How to solve? Now open the modulus concept. Open the modulus. And how to open this modulus? You know, first you write the critical point. If this inequality, if this equation, it is in standard form means coefficient of x is positive, then on the right side of the critical point, mod open with positive sign, and on the left hand side, mod open with negative sign. First you write two critical point. Acha, here I make the equation easy. If 3x is equal to k, you can write this equation in this way, k minus 20 the mod. Okay, this can be written as k minus 20 the mod plus k minus 40 the mod, that is equal to 20. So how many critical points are there? First to represent the critical point on number line. One critical point is 20, another critical point is 40. And here this condition, here k is what? Greater than equal to 40. In this range k value lies within 20 to 40, and here this region k less than 20. So three regions are there, two critical points, so three region. Now this is the critical point 40. Towards its right, if it is in standard form, it satisfies the standard form. Here coefficient of x is 3, positive. Towards the right of the critical point, mod open with positive sign. Positive sign means I just write here k minus 20 plus k minus 40, and I have to check whether I will get 20 or not. So if I observe the LHS, this is 2k minus 60, this is equal to 20. So here 2k is equal to how much? 80. So here k value is 40. In this region I take k is greater than equal to 40 and I get k equal to 40, satisfied. This in this region value satisfied. Now I will check for this one, and for this region here you have to check this critical point. Here it is left hand side. Left hand side means 40 will open with negative sign, but 20 will open with a positive sign. What does it mean? I just write this one k minus 20, but when I write this one, I have to write a negative sign here. So this is minus k. Achha, if I write minus, so this become how much? Plus 40. Then I will check, this is plus k, minus k get cancelled, I will get a 20. And the right hand side also 20, satisfied. And a 20 is equal to 20. 20 is equal to 20. This region also satisfied. Now you have to check for this one, and in this region both are negative. Both open with negative means minus of k minus 20 minus of k minus 40, and right hand side 20 is there. I have to check how much I will get. I equate with 20. So here this is equal to how much? Minus k plus 20 minus k plus 40, and right hand side it is 20. So can LHS is equal to RHS? So just check, this is minus 2k plus 60 is equal to 20. So this is minus 2k, this is equal to how much? Minus 40. and minus 2k minus 40, minus minus get cancelled, so here k is equal to 20. Here I consider this region is what? K less than 20, but I will get k equal to 20. Don't consider this one. Now if I combine these two, here k value, and this condition is satisfied, this condition is satisfied. So basically k lies within 20 to 40. 20 to 40. And what is k? K is 3x. K is 3x. So 3x lies within 20 to 40. 3x lies within 20 to 40. So if I simplify this one, 20 by 3. 20 by 3 is how much? This is 6.6 bar. Okay, 6.6 you take. Less than x. And here this is 40. 40 means how much? This is 13.3 bar. So here x lies within this point to this point. 6.6 bar to 13.3 bar. Now in the following options, which one is the subset of this one? If I check option A, here x lies within 6.6 to 13.3, but 6 to 6.6 will not satisfy here. 7 to 12, acha, this one is satisfied. 7 to 12, this one is the subset of this one. Understood na? It will come under this. If I check for this one, 13.3 to 15 not satisfied. If I check for this one, 13.3 to 14 not satisfied. So option B is correct. Option B. And the concept here is open the modulus. How you open? This is the critical point, and these two are the critical point. Towards the right of the critical point, mod open with positive sign. Towards the left of the critical point, mod open with negative sign. Negative sign. Done? Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. Here f of x is equal to 2x minus 5 and g of x is equal to 7 minus 2x. Then f of x plus g of x ro mod, that is equal to f of x ro mod plus g of x ro mod. If and only if options are given. Here I have to put the value first. If I put the value, again this question based on open the modulus concept. So if I put the value here, 2x minus 5 plus this is 7 minus 2x are a mod. This is equal to 2x minus 5 ro mod, 2x minus 5 ro mod plus 7 minus 2x ro mod. If I simplify this one, this get cancelled. So this is 2. Left hand side is 2. And here right hand side, this is 2x minus 5 ro mod plus 7 minus 2x ro mod. As I make the thing easy for you, just like the previous question, let 2x is equal to k. If 2x is equal to k, this can be written as, here I will write this is k minus 5 ro mod plus 7 minus k ro mod, this is equal to 2. But if you observe this equation, here coefficient of k is what? Negative. So it is not in standard form. So first make it standard form. How to make it? Now you know 2 ro mod, this is equal to what? Minus 2 ro mod, and the value is 2. Similarly here I can write 7 minus k ro mod. If I take a negative sign common here, so this is 7 minus k, okay, ro mod. Okay, 2 ro mod, this is minus 2 ro mod. If I take a minus here, because this is same as minus of 7 minus k ro mod, and this can be written as this is minus 7 plus k, so this is k minus 7 ro mod. Here in this place I will write k minus 7 ro mod. So the inequality here I will write, here I will write the inequality. So this is k minus 5 ro mod plus k minus 7 ro mod, and right hand side it is 2. So two critical points are there. Just represent this on the number line. Two critical points are 5 and 7. Points are 5 and 7. Now towards the right of critical point, mod open with positive sign. Left of critical point, mod open with negative sign. So here positive sign first, k minus 5 plus k minus 7. This side visible, right hand side, it is equal to 2. If I will check, so this is 2k, this is equal to how much? This is k minus 7, so this is equal to minus 12, that is equal to 2. So 2k, this is equal to 14. So here k is equal to 7. Acha, this region is what? Critical point, this is 7 means this is 7, k is greater than equal to 7. And this region is k lies within this is 5 to 7. 5 to 7. And this region is k less than 5. Understood na? Always equal to symbol is there with greater than symbol. Now look here. Here I find k equal to 7. This condition is k greater than equal to 7. I get k equal to 7. Satisfied? And here this region satisfied. Now I have to check this one. For this critical point 7, I will write negative sign. For this one, I will write positive sign. So this one more open with positive sign. So this is k minus 5. K minus 5. Just open with positive sign. Open with positive sign. And when I open this one, I have to write negative sign. So this is minus of, and within the bracket here I will write k minus 7. So this is k minus 5 minus k plus 7. If I simplify this get cancelled, I will get a 2. And right hand side also, right hand side if you observe, 2 is there. Right hand side 2 is there. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Here right hand side 2 is there. Done. Right hand side 2 is there. Right hand side 2 is there. Done. Satisfied. This region also satisfied. Now if I will check for this region, both are negative. So open with negative sign. So this is minus k minus 5 minus of k minus 7. K minus 7. And right hand side it is given 2. If I will check, this is minus k plus 5 minus k plus 7 is equal to 2. So this is minus 2k plus 12 is equal to 2. So minus 2k is equal to, if I take this one to that side, this is minus 12. So this is how much? 10. So here k is equal to what? This is minus sign, so minus 10. So k is equal to 5. But here k less than 5. And this region is k less than 5. I get k equal to 5. Not possible. So if I combine these two, how much I will get? Here I will write, and here I will write. If I combine, so here k value lies within 5 to 7. 5 to 7. And k means what? And k means I assume 2x is equal to k. So k means 2x. So 2x it lies within 5 to 7. So here I can write x is equal to 5 by 2 to 7 by 2. 5 by 2 to 7 by 2. Which option is correct? 5 by 2 to 7 by 2. It's less than equal to. No. 5 by 2 to 7 by 2. I think this one is 7 by 2. X less than equal to. This is not minus 7 by 2. This is 7 by 2. Option D. Option D you check. Option D is correct. And here this is 5 by 2 less than x less than 7 by 2. But equal to symbol is there na? Less than equal to. Okay. Rectify that. So this is 5 by 2 less than x less than equal to 7 by 2. 5 by 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 7 by 2. So option, which option is correct? D is correct. Write it down. Okay, question number 5. In question number 5, it is given the number of solutions to the equation x rho mod whole into 6x square plus 1 that is equal to 5x square is how much? Means how many solutions are there? How many values of x satisfy this equation? And this is a theta based question. Type in the answer. No negative mark. And asked in CAT 2019 shift 1. So try it first. Then I will solve. Then you check my answer. My thought process. How I will deal. Achha, x rho mod means critical point is what? Critical point is 0. And already I told you towards the right of critical point mod open with positive sign. So here I will write x whole into 6x square plus 1. This is equal to 5x square. If I take this 5x square to left hand side, let's simplify this algebra. Okay, quadratic. So this is x whole into 6x square plus 1 minus 5x square. This is equal to 0. If I take x common, So here 6x square plus 1 minus 5x, okay, because already I take x outside, this is equal to 0. So here x is a solution, x equal to 0 is one solution, and 6x square plus 1 minus 5x, this is a quadratic equation. Now this is one solution, x is equal to 0, we satisfy this equation. Now if I simplify this one, if I simplify this one means this can be written as what? Minus 5x plus 1. This is what? Quadratic equation na, 6x square minus 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Normally if you observe this quadratic equation, this plus sign indicates what? This plus sign indicates the same sign. And whatever root you will get, both have same sign. And who will decide that sign? Na, this minus. If this is minus, its opposite is plus, and both the roots have positive sign. Whatever root you will get, both are positive. How much the value? Now you know product is 6 and sum is 5. Numbers are 3 and 2. Numbers are 3 and 2. Numbers are 3 and 2. And here coefficient of x square is 6. So divide 6 here, divide 6 here. So here I will get x has how many solutions? How many values? Now this is 0, 0, this is 1 by 2, and here this is 1 by 3. So I will get a 3 solution. X has a 3 solution. 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 0. Now this side towards the left, mod open with negative sign. So I will write minus x whole into 6x square plus 1 is equal to 5x square. If I simplify this one, I take this minus to that side. X get cancelled. Why? Because 0 is one of the solution. Already I know 0 is one of the solution. No need to consider again. So x get cancelled. If I take this one to that side, this is minus 5x. If it will take, I will take this minus 5x to left hand side plus 5x. So equation is 6x square plus 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Again this is plus means the same sign. And this one is plus means the same sign. Whatever root I will get, same sign. Same sign means who will decide? This one will decide. So both have negative sign. Both have negative sign. Now product is 6, sum is 5. Product 6 means 3 and 2. 3 and 2, sum is 5. Coefficient of x square is 6. So divide 6 here, divide 6 here. So here x belongs to what? 2 element. This is minus 1 by 2 and this is minus 1 by 3. So here I will get a 2 solution. There I will get a 3 solution. So answer for this question is what? Answer for this question is 5. Total 5 values of x satisfy this equation. Total 5 values of x satisfy this equation. Are you clear? So till now we discussed 3 concepts. First one, this is definition based. How to write the modulus. Modulus means it is a distance from origin. Then we discuss a distance formula. Then we discuss how to open the modulus. Suppose I will find a critical point. Towards the right of the critical point, mod open with positive value. And towards the left, mod open with negative value. But important restriction here is, you have to be careful. Here whatever equation is given, it is in standard form. Standard form means coefficient of x is positive. If coefficient of x is positive, then you can do this. Otherwise, we have to write it in standard form, then we have to solve. Just like the previous question. And question number 4. Thank you.